What is going on, guys? We're gonna be playing some not Agario, more Friv.
Do I have to play this?
And no, you don't.
Okay.
A Tale of a Young Scientist.
I don't even want to
That
know.
sounds weird.
Alright, I'm just gonna close your eyes. Alright, now pick one. Tap on the screen. Alright, I hate this game.
Just kidding. It's so stupid.
Okay, so yeah.
Supporting sponsored links. Waffles!
Really?
Waffle over
Cheese, ew.
bacon.
Oh. Don't you hate cheese on it?
They.
Truckmania.
Yep.
Truckmania. Get it? Mania.
I think you gotta keep the box in the truck.
I think so too. Oh! Okay.
Slow down! It says slow down.
I go faster when I slow down. I'll go the opposite of what it
You
says.
just ran into something.
Oh, care. I'm stuttering.
Oh gosh.
Rocks ain't gonna kill me. Too boss to get killed. Oh, wow! My truck is so heavy, oh my. I don't care. I ain't slowing down. At the end. Wait, you don't even go through the finish line. That's weird. Go. You're not gonna die. Just go. There's a lot of bumps, but you still made it. Whoa. What the
Gosh,
heck?
it's like a windmill of blades.
But they kill me.
I know. What's the next windmill? Up the hill.
Actual blades.
Bam. Oh, look at that mountain in the background.
Oh, I wish we could zoom in. Oh, see it back there?
Go.
Hot tires. Ow! They didn't go. No. No finish line.
Just go.
No! No, not the finish line.
Wait, let's see what happens. Are you gonna fall down the hill?
I
No,
have to
you're
go-
gonna stop at the stupid tire.
I'm gonna go fast enough.
It just opened.
Oh, that means no. Crap on.
Okay.
Saturday. Oh no, I hate this one.
You have a log on the back.
Chases me. No, just go.
It's gonna murder you.
And then we have to go down a big hill right here. Okay.
Oh, you're dead. Slow down.
I don't care. I don't listen to rules. Okay, I should have.
Yeah. You really should have.
Get away from me, log. Logs are good. They're just a big, stupid thing. Ow. Ah!
Everybody in the comments is gonna say you suck at this game.
What's like me?
Ah, no. She's just backed up into the log.
Okay, I'll slow down.
You better.
Ah!
Go.
Yay, I'm
Who
so
even
good.
carries a log on the back like that?
Accelerate. Oh my gosh.
One of the chains broke.
Yeah. The other one
Oh,
breaks.
slow down. Slow down.
Oh,
Oh gosh. Oh, you really want to slow down for this?
oh no. Oh no.
I told you.
Yeah,
Yay!
finished.
We're done.
Okay, I hate this game.
Yeah.
I really do.
Don't we all?
Okay. What is this? Another one of those sideways.
Sponsored links.
I don't really care. See, look at it.
Yay! We already have that game, so we don't need it.
Yeah, we don't think we're really gonna play it. Who cares? Okay.
Monster Truck Destroyer. Why is everything about trucks now?
Okay. Monster trucking.
You just blew up some bombs with your tire.
Boom.
That doesn't look so good.
Whee! Bombs is the name of the Lord. Or no, wait, God is.
Oh!
I just disintegrated them with my awesome tires.
Oh, go watch that car. Boom! Oh. How was that car?
Boom!
There you go.
Now I have so many points. Front flip.
Oh! Oh, you didn't get the
Boom.
bus.
I don't care for the bus. A monster truck is big, and that's all that it's.
Good job.
I did a front flip in the air.
I should call this, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. I get to name it this time. Fine. Because I have a good name in mind. What? I can't tell them.
Ah, shoot.
I'm just kidding.
Ah, shoot.
They're gonna be reading the name. So, I'm gonna call this,
Carson sucking.
no, no. I'm gonna call this Trucks All Around.
Oh, wow. Ah!
Oh, God!
Oh! I didn't even touch the summer truck and it just exploded.
Oh, going downhill. Oh, you just proed that up. Wait, what's next?
Am I gonna make it?
Oh, you could have broken those guys.
Oh, yay! Ice cream truck! It's broken.
You killed the ice cream man. The
No one-
green beans man.
Okay, that might be a little weird.
You killed the green beans man. Oh, those look like giant silver walnuts.
What the heck is wrong with you today?
I don't know. I'm just messed up today.
Yay!
Oh!
I didn't get it. Except one.
Oh, you need to make it up.
I need to just let me.
Oh!
This monster truck is possible. I'm in. Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna die.
Yeah,
What
you
the
are.
heck? No, I'm not.
Oh!
I'm still alive.
Semi.
Wheelies.
Oh, ice cream truck! Oh!
Wheelies for days. Okay.
Let's go!
Go pro. Go pro.
Go. That was weird.
Very. Because you
Oh.
all the
Don't break the
TVs.
TVs! Oh.
I had to.
Oh, dude. I had to. Wouldn't your tires pop
Ah.
from all the glass?
It,
What
plow.
are you doing?
I'm a plow.
For boxes, obviously. Oh, is this a loop-de-loop? No.
They don't allow loop-de-loop. Oh, crushed in the air. Oh.
Is that a cannon?
Yep.
Oh, gosh. Is that break
Bus.
the red bus.
Bus.
The charter bus.
Oh, crap.
Good job.
Look at what you made me do. No.
Oh!
I just exploded. Restart.
No.
No.
Yeah!
All about trucks.
So we need to find another. Oh. Another game of trucks.
Truck.
Sponsored links.
It's until I die.
A
that we
TLX. No sponsor.
can-
Flatbread.
Flatbread.
No
Oh,
sponsor.
no.
Monster Truck Demolisher.
It sounds like just the game I just played.
What? Seriously?
Oh my.
Oh,
which
fire
which
one.
Wait, I can jump. I probably didn't jump.
Oh, gosh.
Wow.
They turn gray.
Do I have unlimited health? Bro!
Oh. That's like toxic gas.
Boom! Boom, boom! I wanna go eat breakfast. I'm hungry.
And so am I. We should do that after this video.
I don't know why I said it in front of you guys. I'm so sorry.
Because it's like 9:30. What the heck? Why did put the gig? Why did put the gig?
Is this a whoop-de-whoop? No.
No, it's not a whoop-de-doop. Oh, you sure got that.
Why? One.
Well done!
Okay.
Well, we're probably going to end it here, guys.
Oh, I'm tired.
Like. You're tired?
No.
Like.
Oh, shit.
Comment. Subscribe. Give us some support. And, well, guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.